2025, quitting social media felt easier than ever as platforms that once hooked users with endless feeds and dopamine hits lost their sparkle under waves of ads, AI clips, and algorithmic overload. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech news. What used to be a place for connection increasingly feels like a shopping mall of sponsored posts and bot-driven junk, pushing even heavy users to scroll less or walk away entirely. The end of FOMO isn't happening because everyone left. Instagram still boasts more users than ever, but because the thrill that once kept people glued to their screens has faded into a grind of monetized chaos. From influencer videos sandwiched between promos to AI-generated content drowning out real interactions, social media feels hollow, leaving many wondering why they ever spent hours scrolling in the first place. People who tried quitting or taking breaks report relief from endless scrolling and a return of focus, while trends show millions now Googling how to deactivate Instagram, Facebook, or X as digital fatigue sets in. Even though social networks aren't collapsing, the emotional pull that once defined modern life seems to be weakening. It's a shift that suggests digital life might finally be restoring after years of addictive design and profit-driven feeds. For many, 2025 marked the year social media stopped feeling essential and made walking away feel possible. Have you ever stepped away from social media? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video, and subscribe to GadInsider so you never miss any update. If you've ever felt Instagram or Facebook are directly targeting you with the product you were thinking about, you're not alone. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your favorite tech hub. The digital feed of sponsored content has driven countless users to hunt for ad blockers or consider logging off altogether. But now, Meta's offering a new way out, at least for users in the UK. Meta's rolling out ad-free versions of Facebook and Instagram in the coming weeks, according to Reuters. For a monthly fee, users will finally be able to scroll in peace, free from the ever-watching eye of algorithmic advertising. But since it's a privilege, it won't be free. The ad-free subscription will cost £2.99 per month on web and £3.99 on iOS and Android. It's a small price to pay for peace and, most importantly, data privacy. Meta says subscribers' personal data won't be used for advertising purposes, a significant move amid growing pressure from European regulators. The model's offering similar features that Meta's already launched in Europe to comply with strict privacy rules. And it's not just a one-time trend, because tech giants across the board are being forced to see with how they can handle personal information, especially when it comes to targeted ads. And for those who don't want to pay, the regular ad-filled experience will continue as usual. And the privacy-conscious users, or those who are just sick of being pitched protein powder, fast fashion, and oddly specific gadgets, this subscription could offer a breath of fresh air, ad-free air. Will you prefer the ads? Tired of losing your favorite creators when switching social platforms? Well, Threads just dropped a game changer, a new feature that lets you follow your ex-creators directly on Threads. Stick around to learn how it works, why it's a big deal, and what you need to know to get started. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider, where we break down the latest in tech and social media. Today we're diving into Threads' brand new cross-platform following feature that makes waves in the social media world. Let's jump right in. This beta feature was first spotted by security researcher and former Meta employee Jane Mansion Wong. On Wednesday, April 9, 2025, some Threads users opened the app to a pop-up saying, "Find popular creators from X." Cool, right? From there, you can download your X following list and sync it to Threads. It's all about making it easier to stay connected with the people you care about. Imagine this: your favorite meme accounts, influencers, or thought leaders all in one place without the hassle. Now let's talk about why this is such a big deal. In recent years, tons of creators have jumped ship from X to platforms like Threads and Blue Sky. The problem? They often lose their massive followings in the process. For creators, rebuilding an audience is tough. For fans, it's a pain to track everyone down again. This feature aims to fix that. It's like a bridge between platforms, making migration seamless. Whether you're a creator looking to grow on Threads or a user wanting to keep up with your favorites, this could be a game changer. Oh, and get this: Threads now has over 320 million monthly active users, up from 300 million just last month. With numbers like that, it's no wonder Meta's doubling down to make Threads the place to be. But here's the catch. Not everyone might make the cut. Meta says it's focused on popular creators for now, so your niche follows might not sink yet. We'll dig into that in a second. So how does it actually work? If you're part of the beta test, you'll see that pop up when you open Threads. It guides you to download your X following, super straightforward. Then, Threads matches those accounts to their profiles on the platform. Now here's where it gets a bit mysterious. Meta hasn't spilled the beans on how they're matching X accounts to Threads profiles. Is it usernames, emails, magic? We don't know yet. But what we do know is this feature's still in beta, so expect some tweaks before it rolls out to everyone. What's next? If this test goes well, we could see Threads become a hub for creators and fans alike, especially as more people ditch X for new platforms. Could this be the start of a social media revolution? Only time will tell. Alright folks, that's everything you need to know about Threads cross-platform following feature for now. It's an exciting step towards making social media more connected and creator-friendly. What do you think? Are you jumping on Threads to try this out, or sticking with X for now? Social media platform Blue Sky has seen a boom in new accounts since the election. President-elect Donald Trump's return to the White House has solidified a position for Elon Musk, owner of the social media platform X, on Trump's newly formed Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. When Musk bought Twitter, which he later rebranded into X, a slate of new social media platforms jockeyed to be the alternative to the popular short-form text app as he rolled back content moderation. None of them took over, but as Musk is poised to be a Trump ally throughout his presidency, Blue Sky is seeing an onslaught of new users. Here's what to know. Blue Sky is a decentralized social media app. It has a similar look and feel as X, formerly Twitter, but has some different features to bring more people into its creation. Unlike other closed platforms, Blue Sky is an open social network that gives users choice, developers the freedom to build, and creators independence from platforms. It launched publicly in February 2024. Blue Sky is owned in part by CEO Jay Graber. Also on the Blue Sky board are Jabber inventor Jeremy Miller, TechDirt founder Mike Masnick, and blockchain capital general partner Kinjal Shah. The project was originally started in 2019 by former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. Blue Sky and Twitter formally parted ways in late 2022. It's been revealed that the app has seen approximately 2.5 million new signups in the last week. As of Tuesday, there were over 20 million users on the platform. The platform is seeing record activity in all metrics of engagement, including likes and follows. Some celebrities, including Jamie Lee Curtis and Don Lemon, have publicly announced that they're leaving X.